Most men think the most attractive version of themselves, the most attractive physique they can build is all about how much muscle they have and how low their body fat percentage is. And to a point, this is true. But fellas, if you do this, you will plateau socially, mentally, and in life in general. See, a good physique is all about attention and people's first impressions and how they view you from a biological standpoint. But there's one thing you can add into your life, one skill set that will completely revolutionize your potential as a man, and not only will amplify how impressive your physique looks, but make you walk into any room and get respect. And we're going to talk about exactly what that is and how you can implement it and why it's so important. So, the first thing you need to understand is that if you solely focus on your physique becomes a lot less impressive. If it is your whole identity, doesn't matter how jacked you are, if you do not have a personality, you don't have real confidence, you don't have anything else going for you in your life, your physique automatically becomes less impressive because you're viewed as a boring gym bro. And that's just the way it is. And basically, what you have done, instead of leveraging your physique and applying the things you learned in other areas and putting them into business, relationships, just your overall depth as a man, you now just become a one-dimensional person that isn't very interesting, doesn't really have anything else going for him, and put him all his eggs in that basket. And if that's what you want to do, that's fine. But I know a lot of you guys on this channel want to become the best version of yourself, want to be a James Bond archetype. Super interesting, be skilled at multiple different things, but also be in great shape. And that does not take you going to the gym and fully dedicating your entire life to it. It's absolutely not necessary, and you can build a great physique without it being your entire personality. Getting lean and jacked is the entry ticket, is the foundation, it is a starting point, but with nothing else to it, no skills stacked on top of it, it eventually runs its course. It's no longer going to get you the opportunities you need. And you've all seen it before, the jacked guy, but all he focuses on the gym. He has no personality, walks into a room, still doesn't have real confidence because he hasn't taken risks in his life and has a very low risk tolerance. See, the problem with bodybuilding and going all in on your physique is you become obsessed with staying in the exact same place, in the exact same routine, eating the same meals, doing the same workout routine, because that's what's actually going to drive progress, especially when you're trying to make micro progressions when you've already built a fantastic amount of muscle mass and a crazy low body fat. You have to be super dialed in. And at that point, it has diminishing returns. It's better to have an 8 or a 7 out of 10 physique, leverage it, than just be a 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10 physique, be on the Olympia stage, but you have nothing else going for you in your life. Your physique almost becomes like decoration. It becomes a coping mechanism, your outlet, because you're too afraid to take other risks, do other activities, and become a noob all over again. Like, so many guys get into the gym because they are insecure. They don't like the amount of attention they get from women. They don't have confidence when they look in the mirror, so they use the gym as the outlet. But the truth is, that only works so long, as I said before. You need to take that feeling of what it felt like when you're in the beginning and you didn't felt like you belong. Now you need to start doing that in other aspects and start actually looking for that in your life, taking action on all the things you want to achieve and build up more life proof. And what I call this is skill stacking. Now, you have to imagine a pyramid. I would love to draw it for you, but I don't have a whiteboard with me. The base layer and the foundation is the physique. This is the entry ticket, as we mentioned earlier. This is what is going to get you that initial response of respect. You're going to have a little bit more confidence, and you're going to feel good about yourself because you've actually made change in the real world and you don't feel like a loser anymore. The next is your confidence, but we're talking about real internal confidence that you have proven to yourself you can stick to something for a long time and actually make changes in reality. Not bravado where you walk in a room, you pretend you're the biggest guy, you flare your lats, yada, yada, yada. No, you really believe you're capable of making change. So once you have that foundation of the physique, now you have a little bit more confidence. Okay, great. Tons of guys already have this. Now we got to work on your income. So you take the things you learned in building your physique, the delayed gratification, the idea of doing the work before you even have any proof that it's going to work, but trusting the process and knowing that harvest is going to be fruitful. Now you apply the same thing to business. You either work your way up in the corporate ladder at your company because now you've got a physique. Obviously, they're going to want to make you the face of the company because you're able to speak. You can speak with conviction. You truly are confident, but also you look better than the average guy. If they're getting a guy to go meet other people for a B2B deal, right? Business to business. Who do you think they're going to want representing them? The guy that's very confident, looks fantastic when he's dressed nice, or the guy looks like a bag of potatoes? It's a very simple. When you are lean, you get opportunities because you look better and it says better things about you. It's really that simple. So now you work on your income. You start working your way up the corporate ladder if you have a normal job, or you start your own business, and because you know what the process is like. You know the uncomfortable period of doing all the work and not not knowing if it's going to work, but you know if you stick it out, you'll eventually get there. That's the exact same for starting a business. Okay, great. Now you're in a pretty good position. You are better than the majority of guys. You really do stand out already. But still, lots of guys have the physique. Lots of guys have good money and they're confident. What's next? How do we create more depth this? Now, this is about your hobbies, your interests that really intrigue you. Guys, I highly recommend taking all the things you learned in these aspects and start applying it to learning another language, going to new cultures, experience new things. If you want to learn how to get really good at chess and get 2000 elo, go ahead and do it. Now you have the ability to actually do that. And now the last one, which is actually the biggest multiplier, and this is going to increase your ability to, number one, make more money, but also just realize what's actually possible. This is your connections. Now you are a person of interest. People are going to want to network with you. People are going to get to know you. Guys always ask me, Andrew, you live in Bali. How do you network with people? The truth is, guys, if you want to network anywhere in the world, there's no such thing as trying to network. You become someone that can provide value. And the only way you do that is by having proof, having a good physique, having confidence, being good at certain skills, sales, business, learning a language. Just become interesting, have depth. And that's the whole point of this pyramid or skill stacking, is to add layers to yourself and never just settling at one thing, never just building a physique and being like, okay, this is it, this is my maximum potential, or not just getting a business and having no physique, right? You have to layer everything and become multi-dimensional. Your physique is the entry ticket. Skills help you actually maintain that progression, because that's what drives us as men. And then the connections, this is what gives you the exponential growth. This is how you meet someone who's, let's say he's a business guy and he's doing 250K a month, right? Doesn't have the physique yet. He's going to want to get to know you because you have the physique and you're doing all right in business, and he's going to give you free game just because he respects you. This is why your physique is so important, but it's so imperative that you start building connections with guys that are doing better than you and not feeling like you're not enough when you walk in those rooms, and understand that your skill sets, your unique capabilities allow you to walk into those rooms and have a role. And the reason why this makes you the most attractive version of yourself, and it really doesn't have that much to do with looks as a man. Of course, it still matters, the way you look, the way you present yourself, how you take care of yourself. What really matters is your direction, your competence, and your scarcity. If you are this rare as a man, not only you have the lean aesthetic body, but you have all these other traits, not many guys are able to do this. And you no longer have to just peacock and put all your eggs in the physique basket. You feel like that's your only sense of self-worth. You have all these other things you can pull from, and this is what makes you a magnetizing individual. And when you have this many skills and this many assets to your personality, this is when confidence just becomes a side effect, because you've proven yourself time and time again in all these different endeavors, and you truly become multidimensional. And where so many guys make the mistake is, number one, they either stop at the physique. They build the physique and that's it. They don't look any further outside that scope, because they end up becoming comfortable in that position, just having the physique and just going all in and going, you know what, another 5 pounds is going to make me a better version of myself. But in reality, that 5 pounds doesn't really make a difference. It's about applying what you learned and putting it elsewhere. Or the other guys who can't stick out the physique long enough. They can't actually stay consistent. They lose momentum and then they have to restart, and they're stuck on step one, trying to build the physique, restarting over and over again, and they end up never even getting to the second point where they have true internal confidence. And that's one of the biggest issues I see. You can't build all these other things, the income, the confidence, the hobbies, like these layers to yourself, if you do not have a good foundation. You can't plant seeds in a ground that isn't fertile. You got to look at it like that. And your physique is the easiest way to build that good foundation and start multiplying everything else in your life. The truth is, you do not need to watch more YouTube videos, need more motivation. You need to stop restarting at step one, and you need to stick it out. You need to be okay with not being good at something for long enough until you get good enough and start seeing the proof. It is going to take longer than you want. It is not going to be as easy as you want it to be, but it will always be worth it. And the reason why things that you want are hard to get, that's what makes them valuable. That's what makes them rare, and that's why you want them. But you haven't yet made the connection to realize that you should be chasing all the difficult things. That is where all the gold is. If you guys want help building this foundation, being able to expedite the process of building the physique rather than doing trial and error like I did for 10 years, being able to do it in 6 months to 1 year and completely change the trajectory of your life, just like all of my clients have done, then follow me on Instagram at BressI and DM me the word ready. We'll talk about where you're at, how we can make this happen together, and personalize a workout routine and diet just for you.